some ponies and some reptiles.
What?
Alright, when I said reptiles, this is what I was talking about. Cobra. This is Bob, the owner.
Woohoo! Yeah.
How was it out there, Bob?
Awesome. A little warmer today than yesterday, but the track is almost barren, and to be able to come out on the weekend and take your Cobra around Willow Springs with virtually nobody on the track, it's like heaven, brother.
Hi, my name is Lynn Park, and we are at Willow Spriings Raceway with the Cobra Owners Club of America at an event we've been doing for almost 50 years. This is our 49th year. We do it twice a year, Mother's Day weekend, and that sounds like a cruel thing to do. But on a Mother's Day weekend, you don't interfere with anybody else's weekend because nobody else is dumb enough to have an event on Mother's Day. This yellow Cobra behind me was built by Dave Drawley, who was one of our Cobra heroes, raced Cobras back in the 60s and 70s, repaired Cobras, built Cobras. He just was the go-to guy for Cobra work.
There's some slight modifications that Sam did, but I'm more or less, I consider myself the curator of its originality. This was before they had side vents, so Sam cut little egg-shelled vents and covered them with expanded metal, which was kind of a period for the day, and had a lot of wonderful experiences in this car. And one thing about a Cobra is it will talk to you when you drive it. So if you listen to it, you won't get into trouble. But if you don't listen to it, you will hurt yourself.
It's hard to tell the difference between the two. Race car suspension is very stiff, so both of them do a real good job of stabilizing the image. The real problem is excessive wind noise. The audio is completely unusable, and the only way to work around that is to use an external mic, which you can mount either underneath the dash or behind or somewhere near the exhaust. And the GoPro at this riding is the only platform that has that capability. Hopefully DJI will listen to some of the people that need to have an external mic, need to have good audio, not wind noise, and give us that capability.
And every one of them's different. Every Cobra's different. So regardless of the sequence, you may find that the like this little relay box here, that may wind up on the firewall. It may wind up on one of the